Okay, let's take a look at the negation in German. We use two words to negate information. One is kein, one is nicht. Let me start with kein. I've prepared a few examples and it's pretty simple to actually negate these sentences. Let me read to you. Das ist ein altes Haus. This is an old house. And how do I say in German, this is not an old house? Well, pretty simple. Whenever I find ein, I can simply add a K to ein and voila, I'm done. Das ist kein altes Haus. This is not an old house. One point here, as you can see, kein doesn't have to stand directly in front of the information it's negating. It can also have an adjective in between. Yeah, that's why I have marked it like this. Next example, sie hat einen Hund, the negative form. She has a dog. She doesn't have a dog. In German is sie hat keinen Hund. If you translated this literally, that means she has not a dog, which you would never say in English. But that might help you to remember sie hat keinen Hund. Nothing special here, so let's continue. Du hast Kinder. Now I have a little problem. There is no article here, no ein. But there's a little trick that helps in this case. If you, let's say, change the plural, Kinder means she has kids. So if you say she has a kid, you have the again, the ein. Du hast ein Kind. So again, I can put the kein here, but be careful. As Kinder is plural, and plural has the article die for now, it's keine Kinder. That's a bit special. The last example, er trinkt Milch, he drinks milk. Again, the same problem, and the problem is I cannot go back to the singular, as milk is singular as well. It's one milk. The only trick I have to offer here is that you simply remember any word written with a capital letter, if it's not at the beginning of a sentence, is what we call a noun. And this is what this is all about. Kein negates nouns, and solely nouns, nothing else. So Milch is a noun, so it has to be negated with kein. So I put the kein in front. And the article of Milch, which is die Milch, because Lady Gaga is taking a bath in milk, has to be at the end of kein. So, er trinkt keine Milch, he doesn't drink any milk, or he doesn't drink milk. This is about kein, that's all there is here. Let's continue with nicht.